Today we are going to see connectivity of a graph, and there are two aspects of this connectivity. One is with respect to vertex and the other one is with respect to the edge, okay, or edges, right? So let us first see, let me draw a graph. Okay, now this is the graph G. Okay, is it a connected graph?
Yes.
Yes, it is a connected graph. Why it is a connected graph? Why you say that it is a connected graph? Come on, be quick.
Every pair of vertices is connected.
Exactly, Shireen. Every pair of vertices is connected. That means you can travel from any vertex to any other vertex, right? If you want to travel from U1 to U3, how many paths are available? U1 to U3.
Two.
Which two paths?
U1, U3 and U1, U2, U3.
Exactly. U1, U3, directly there is an edge, or you can travel via U2 also, right? Now, if I want to travel from U1 to U5, U1 to U5, can you tell me path?
U1, U3, U4, U5.
U1, U3, U4, U5. Any other path?
U1, U2, U3, U4, U5.
U1,
U2,
U2,
U3,
U3, U4,
U4,
U5.
U5.
Only these two paths are there, right? Now, do you observe here that if you want to travel from U1 to U5, then you are getting two paths. Because U1 to U3, there are two paths. But each path includes the edge U3, U4, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So, without traveling or without crossing this edge, you cannot travel from U1 to U5. You cannot travel from U1 to U4, U1 to U6. You have to cross this edge. Do you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This E is not part of any cycle. जैसे कि ये E1, E2, E3, they are part of cycle, right? Do you understand what I'm saying? E1, E2, E3, these three edges are part of the cycle, but E is not part of any cycle or circuit. Similarly, E4, E5, E6, they are also part of the circuit. Okay. So when you travel from U1 to U3, you need not to travel from one particular edge. But while traveling from U1, U2 or U3 to the other part of the graph, U4, U5, U6, you have to cross the edge E. Now, if I delete this edge, how the graph will look like? If I delete the edge E, I'm deleting the edge E from the graph G. What happens? What do you observe? What happens to the graph?
The graphs are not connected.
Graphs are not connected mat kaho. The graph is not connected. This G minus E graph becomes disconnected, right? Why it happened? Because every path from U1, U2, U3 to U4, U5, U6 or conversely includes the edge U3, U4 and you have cut that edge. There is no other path available to travel from U1 to U4, U1 to U5, U1 to U6 or U2 to every other vertex, U3 to every other vertex of that path. And the graph becomes disconnected. So, only E edge was there which was connecting these two parts of the graph, right? So such an edge is called as a bridge. What is the terminology? E is called as a bridge or an isthmus. Okay? E is called as a bridge or an isthmus. Have you understood it?
Yes, ma'am.
Just imagine there are two banks of the river and there is only one bridge on the river. If you cut that bridge, then what happens? The two banks of the river cannot be connected. You cannot travel from one bank to other bank of the river. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Without bridges, the connectivity won't be there. So the edges which are not part of any cycle. See, the edge E is not part of any cycle, right? Because if you try to find out a cycle from U1 to U1 itself, and you wish to include U4, U5 in that, then that won't be a circuit because see, I am traveling like this U1 to U3, U1 to U4, U3 to U4, U3 to U5, like this, like this. Can I include U4, U3 again? I am traveling like this right now. ये ऐसे जा रही हूं मैं. Can I include U4 to U3 back?
No.
No, because what is the definition of a path or a circuit? In circuit, there is no repetition of vertices. So you cannot repeat the vertices. So that doesn't make a circuit. Do you understand it? Do you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
But if I draw this one, if I draw this U1,
Yes,
U2,
ma'am.
U3, this is a circuit. Okay? This is a circuit. And thus, E is not part of any circuit. So the edge which is not part of any circuit is a bridge in the graph. This is one of the observations you can have. Okay, or this is a necessary and sufficient condition for an edge to be a bridge. An edge E is a bridge if and only if it does not belong to any circuit in G. Okay. Because if it belongs to any circuit in G, and if you delete that edge, then there is an alternative path available. But here, if I want to travel from U1 to U5, I have only these two paths I have, U1 to U5. But each path includes U3, U4, right? And if I cut this, I cannot travel from U1 to U5. Is that okay? Do you understand this? Do you understand it, girls? Yes, no. There are 29 students. No one is answering except one. Only one girl always answers my questions. Others are sleeping or what? Girls, I'm asking you, do you understand bridge?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write the definition and then you draw this graph. Okay, write the definition of breach first. Isthmus or bridge. An edge E of a graph G is called an isthmus, or it is called as a bridge or cut edge also. If so, what happens now here, as we are defining it after defining the components. Now tell me, how many components are there in WG? G is connected graph. So how many components are there in G? In a connected graph, how many components are there? One. Now, when I deleted E from G, how many components are there in G minus E? Two components. That means, can you say W of G minus E is greater than W of G?
Yes.
Yes. So now we are defining isthmus in terms of that, and equivalently we will write that removal of this edge makes the graph disconnected. Okay. So I hope you have understood this. So in definition, I am writing if W of G minus E is greater than W of G, that is the number of components in G minus E is more than that in G. Okay. In other words, an edge E is a breach whose removal leaves a disconnected graph. Okay. So if you delete the edge, whatever remains, whatever is left is a disconnected graph. Have you understood it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So you can, if you have finished with the definition, you can write this example. Please tell me as you finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'm giving you an example. Find the bridges. Find all the bridges in the following graphs. Be quick. First one. Find the first one till I draw the second one. Yes. Yes, first one, which edges are the bridges? Do you hear me, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
So which edges are bridges in the first graph? Which edges if you cut, then graph will become disconnected. If you cut even, for example, आपने अगर even cut कर दिया, suppose even you have deleted, is the graph disconnected now?
No.
Why? I can see it is disconnected. What has
Yes, ma'am.
happened? What has
E5 and
happened, you
E2.
know? Suppose I give names to these vertices A, B, C, D, E, F. Now there is only one edge A to F edge है मेरे पास. मैंने अगर ऐसा ड्रॉ करना चाहा ऐसे अलग A to F edge है और दूसरा जो कंपोनेंट है उसका वो क्या बना देखो, वो ये बना है. Can you travel from this component to this component now? When I deleted edge E, do you understand? Which is the circuit here?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the circuit here? Tell me. Which circuit you can see? Can you see only this one is the circuit? B, D, E.
Yes.
Yes, only this is the circuit. Otherwise, no edge is part of any circuit, right? So only these three edges are not bridges. Otherwise, all the edges are bridges. Do you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
So पहली bridge E1 is also a bridge. If I delete E3, then what happens? E3 मैंने delete कर दी suppose. तो क्या दिख रहा है आपको? Can you travel from any vertex to the vertex F?
No.
No, F becomes isolated, right? E3 नहीं, क्या नाम है उस
Yes.
एज का? E5, सॉरी, E5. ये एज थी ना, E5 थी ना, ये एज. So if I delete E5, then the vertex F becomes disconnected or isolated. You cannot travel from any other vertex to F. So E5 is also a bridge. Okay. So at a time you have to delete only one edge. Do you understand my point? Any other edge you can tell me which is a bridge?
E6.
E6, yes. If you delete E6, see what happens? The vertex C, because there is only one edge incident on C, there is only one edge incident on F. So these are pendant edges. Degree of C is 1, degree of F is 1. So pendant edges are always bridges. Okay. So now E6 is also a bridge. Any other edge? There are 6 edges and 3 are part of the circuit. Do you observe this? These 3 edges, E4, E3 and E2, they are part of the circuit. So they are not bridges. If you remove them, the remaining graph will not be disconnected. One by one, not at a time. You don't have to delete all the edges at a time. Even E5, E6 also, do not delete all the 3 edges at a time. Then also graph is going to be disconnected, but it is sufficient to delete one edge at a time to make the remaining graph disconnected. Have you understood it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me similarly in this graph. Which edges are bridges here? In the second graph.
E2.
E2. Yes,
E3.
because if I remove E2, what happens? The graph is disconnected. It has 2 components now. One component consists of CD and this is the big one is other component. So you cannot travel from this component to CD component. Okay. So next.
E9.
E3.
E3.
E3, similarly E3. If you delete E3, what happens? D becomes isolated, right? The vertex D becomes isolated. Any other?
E9.
E9. So E3 and E9 are pendant edges, right? Right? D and G are pendant vertices. Their degree is 1. So if you remove the only edge which is incident on them, they become isolated. And therefore these edges are bridges. There is one more bridge.
E5.
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 ओके सो कनेक्शन अगर टूटता है, वो एज निकालने से अगर कनेक्शन टूटता है, then that is a breach. Okay, so one by one you have to see that. So the edges which are part of the cycle, these edges which I'm drawing with red, Let me draw this in green. Yeah. So the edges which are shaded in red, they are part of the cycle, some cycle in the graph. So they are not bridges. Again and again, I'm telling you to observe this so it becomes easy for you to locate the bridges. Clear? Finding bridges should not be a difficult task. Okay? Finished, girls, writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now tell me. Is there any bridge in this graph? Third example, suppose. Is there any bridge? Any edge?
No.
There are no bridges. Okay, because as every edge is a part of some cycle in the graph. Do you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So similarly, we can define now cut vertex. Okay. See, when you delete one edge, it becomes bridge. But sometimes in a graph, to make it disconnected, we need to delete more edges also. Okay. So we will see that also, but let us first define the cut vertex. And then we will define connectivity. Cut vertex. Okay, suppose I draw a graph. This is G. Okay. Graph is connected. Is the graph connected? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
No?
Yes, yes. Ma'am, because the screen was loading, I couldn't see the whole graph.
Okay. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Now what I'm
Yes,
doing
ma'am.
on the right hand side, can you see I'm deleting the vertex B. So what happens? It leaves a graph like this. Can I draw the edge AB? Can I draw the edge AB?
No.
No. Can I draw the edge BG?
No.
Then BC, BD, BE, BF, right?
No.
So what
No.
happens here is, when I delete the vertex B, automatically all the edges which are incident on B, those are also deleted, right? That doesn't happen in case of the previous example. When we delete edge, We don't delete the vertices on which the edge is incident. Do you understand it? Because vertices are the basic parts of the graph, right? Are you getting it, girls? When you delete the edge, you do not delete the vertices on which the edge is incident. But when you delete any particular vertex, automatically all the edges which are incident on that vertex, they are deleted. Is that clear to you all? So see, these many edges which I am drawing in red, all these edges are automatically deleted. What is the degree of the vertex B? What is its degree? 6. So all those 6 edges are deleted as B is deleted, and thus G minus B becomes disconnected graph. Yes or no? How many components are there in G? G is a connected graph. How many components are there in G?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
G is a connected graph. How many components are there in G? Can you hear me now?
1.
Yes, ma'am.
1. And how many components are there in G minus B?
3.
3. So what happens here also? W of G minus B is greater than W of G. So B is called a cut vertex. Have you understood this definition? Have you understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will define it and then you have this example. Let G, V, comma, E be a graph a vertex
Yes, ma'am.
V belongs to V is called a cut vertex of G if W of G minus V is greater than W of G. That is, the number of components in the graph G minus V is more than that in G. A cut vertex is also called as an articulation point. Okay, finished writing the definition?
Yes,
Done?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Write this example quickly. I want to take attendance and I want to give you one more example. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, see, draw this example. This is a star graph, if you remember. So which vertex is a cut vertex? If I delete the vertex A, what happens if I delete the vertex A, suppose? I'm deleting the vertex A. Huh? So what happens? A is deleted and this edge is deleted. Is this graph disconnected now?
Ma'am, I can't see the graph.
Now can you see?
Yes, ma'am. No.
Is this graph disconnected now?
No, ma'am.
What no? Graph is not visible or graph is
Can't see
not
the graph.
disconnected?
Ma'am, graph नहीं दिख रहा.
Graph is not visible.
Wait. Now, can you see the graph?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So see, if I delete the vertex A, here vertex A was there, I deleted it, I deleted the edge also. So remaining graph is disconnected. This was A. Now I'm deleting the vertex A. So what happens when I delete the vertex? I have to delete the edge also. So is this graph disconnected now? Come on, girls, be quick. It's 10:31. Tell me the answer. Yes. Is the graph disconnected now? Can you hear me?
No, ma'am.
What
No,
no?
ma'am.
You cannot hear me? अरे जल्दी बताओ, आपका दूसरा लेक्चर है. अच्छा अश्विनी, अश्विनी, रोल नंबर 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you please take the attendance quickly and
Yes,
message me attendance? Don't send me the screenshots. Write it on the
Okay, ma'am.
paper and send me only one photo, okay? Or type it. Type the present
Yes,
roll
ma'am.
numbers, okay? So the graph is not disconnected when I deleted the vertex A. But if I delete the vertex U, what happens? If I delete the vertex U, what happens? All these edges will be deleted.
Disconnected graph.
All these edges I have to delete because they are incident on U. I cannot keep them and therefore graph becomes disconnected. Okay? So this is your homework. Okay? Find the cut vertex. Okay? ये पहला है and दूसरा है find the cut vertex in this graph. Okay? Chalo, let us stop here. Ashwini, have you taken the numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Can we stop?